Assalamu alaikum, dear lovely brothers and sisters. Welcome back to English with Mizan. Today, in this video, I'm going to talk all about a vocational training center, which is situated in Rohingya refugee camp. To be more exact, in Kutubalong Camp 17. As you can see behind me, there is a board over there. Have a look at the board, Kizilai Village Vocational Training Center. So, guys, in this video, you're gonna know things are included in this vocational training center and what they train to the people here. As you can see behind me, this is actually that vocational training center. So guys, as you can see behind me, to get into this vocational training center, there is a small gate made of bamboo. And as you can see behind me, there is a small vegetable garden. Have a look at this vegetable garden. Here, have a look at, actually, this is called water spinach. It's really, really delicious. If you take it every single day, it's really, really good for health, and it has vitamin. So as you can see behind me, there are very few, there are some red leafy trees over there, as you can see. Actually, this is called Malabar spinach. In Bengali language, we call it pushak. It has vitamin. So as you can see behind me, this is actually a vocational training center in Rohingya refugee camp over there. Over there, as you can see, there is a man sitting down. Now I'm going there. And so, brother, may I ask you a couple of questions to get to know you a little bit better about this vocational training center? So, এখানে কি করা হয়?
এখানে হচ্ছে যে ৩টা কাজ করা হয় আপনার এই শাকসবজি সম্পর্কে ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয় আর ওখানে হচ্ছে যে মুরগি সম্পর্কে ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয় আর ওখানে সেলাই সম্পর্কে ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয় আর এগুলা কি আর পিছনে আছে আর কি
Okay, he is trying to say that in this vocational training center, there are three training. One is they train to the people how to plant vegetable garden, and the second training is on hands, and then third training they train the people how to see clothes over there. As you can see behind me, they actually train to the women and young girls practically how to sew clothes. So guys, as you can see behind me, this is actually this vocational training center. What I'm trying to say is that actually here in this vocational training center, there are some vegetables, there are some spinach. Have a look at. Oh my God, here is also water spinach and Malabar spinach. And over there, as you can see, there is a route. People are walking over there, and there are several vehicles available in that route. And especially, as far as I know, that especially in that route, NG vehicles are available. So here, actually, as you can see behind me, there is a small place where they train the people on how to look after hens. And as you can see behind me, there is a small house. Here are some hands, as you can see behind me. Here are some hands. Actually, they train on these hands in these places. Actually, here they train the women on how to make net fishing. Actually, how to make fishing net. And then over there, as you can see over there, they give advices and they teach young women, young girls, how to plant vegetables and how to sew clothes. And over there, as you can see behind me, maybe there are two rooms. They practically train on how to make a fishing net and how to plant vegetable garden and how to see clothes over there. And let's see what is there. Here, as you can see, pumpkin spinach. Do you know what is this? This is actually pumpkin spinach, and as you can actually in this vocational training center, there are some spinach, for example, water spinach and Malabar spinach, and then bitter melon, and then pumpkin spinach. Nothing else. As you can see behind me, there is a small vegetable as well, and there is a rope made of bamboo, and maybe in this vegetable, oh my God, here also water spinach and Malabar spinach. And Malabar spinach are growing, as you can see. They are already above the roof. So guys, as you can see behind me, there is a banner. Have a look at the banner. This banner is saying that opening ceremony, livelihood project, training women for poor families and handicrafts for self-sufficiency in Bangladesh, 2023. Actually, it's going on 2024. However, maybe it was it was old one, and it's really old one. This banner is really old one because here 2023, as you can see behind me, and here they wrote a skill development training center camp 17 and population movement operation PM Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. And as you can see behind me, have a look at the banner. Actually, this is run by this vocational training center run by Qatar Red Crescent and Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. As you can see over there, there are two logo, Kizilai and Qatar Red Crescent and Bangladesh Red Crescent Society. Qatar Red Crescent. So brother, এখানে কি কি করে?
এখানে হচ্ছে যে মেয়েদেরকে সেলাই মেশিন এর ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয় আর কি, মেয়েদের সেলাই মেশিন এর ট্রেনিং দেওয়া হয় এখানে।
Actually, they train women's here how to sewing clothes, and there are maybe there are so many sewing machines here. এখানে কি মেশিন আছে?
হ্যাঁ, অনেকগুলো মেশিন আছে।
There are so many sewing machine here. You can see behind me there is a small way, and over there there's a toilet. Now I'm going there, and I'm trying to show you what is there. As you can see, there is a road. Actually, he looks after this vocational training center, and he's really diligent. He's really diligent. He works hard. So you can see behind me, there is another room. Actually, in these rooms, they train women and young girls. They train women how to sew clothes and how to plant vegetables, and they also train on hands. As you can see behind me, this is actually located in Kutubalang refugee camp 17. Actually, today I've come here for hanging out. Actually, I'm begging out in my spare time. That's why today I'm here and trying to make video. Actually, I saw this vocational training center when I was walking over there. There's a route, as I mentioned, Bay. At that time, I just thought of making video about this vocational training center. That's why I'm here. And right now, I'm trying to make a video. And actually, I'm trying to show you this vocational training center, and maybe you're gonna learn in this vocational training center what they train. Already I have told about it. So guys, I don't want to make it more longer, and I stay well and safe. Please take care of yourself. Please pray 5 times, and Allah Hafiz. Have a look at the view. Have a look at the view. Actually, this is a Rohingya refugee camp. In this camp, there is a vocational training center.